In 3 hours, polling precincts open and millions of Filipinos will take part in the country's second automated elections.
More than 44,000 candidates are vying for over 18,000 local and national posts. Stay with us as we cover the elections from start to finish.
I'm Tina Monzon Palma.
I'm Teddy Locsin Jr.
This is ANC's special coverage of Halalan 2013.
Ako at ikaw sa dilim ng apa. Ako at ikaw minsang nagsimula. Ngayon kailangang lahat kasama. Ako at ikaw at ang buong bansa. Bayan mo, ipatrol mo. Bayan mo, ipatrol mo. Bayan mo, ipatrol mo. Bayan mo, ipatrol mo. Magbabantay ng pagbabago. Saan ang kailangan? Kung paano tayo magbabantay ng